Climate change is becoming an existential threat to the world's population. Never before have we seen a change in our environment in such a short period of time. As the demand for energy continues to grow, so does our need for renewable and sustainable solutions. Now, for the first time in history, comes a renewable solution with all the beneficial characteristics of thermal coal without the harmful emissions. Compared to thermal coal, Arterran Renewables biofuel has significant benefits, not the least of which are less ash, lower emissions, and a comparable energy content. It all starts with the most abundant substance on the planet, cellulose. Cellulosic feedstock can be anything from wood waste, food waste, agricultural waste, animal manures, fast food packaging, paper, and even municipal solid waste. Utilities now have the option to convert these waste materials into renewable electrical power. With an energy content of 24 to 28 gigajoules per ton, Arterran Renewable biofuel far exceeds traditional wood pellets' energy density of 17 gigajoules, resulting in a more efficient source of renewable energy for our planet. The process begins by combining a recyclable catalyst and cellulosic feedstock into a slurry. Once thoroughly mixed, the slurry is transferred to the bioreactors. Adding heat and pressure creates a thermal catalytic reaction. This transformation creates Arterran's biofuel. Arterran's biofuel is far superior to common wood pellets in many ways. Firstly, it is hydrophobic. This allows it to be stored outdoors for long periods of time without any other extra costs for providing covered storage. Second, Arterran's energy density is 50 to 60% higher than that of wood pellets, and the bulk density is more than 30% greater, thus reducing the cost of transport. Any utilities in the world burning coal to produce electricity are potential clients. Independent tests by PowerTech Labs, Will Industries and SGS have validated Arterran's biofuel for its superior energy density, and a leading Canadian polytechnic has duplicated Arterran's process and produced Arterran's advanced fuel. What Mother Nature does over millions of years, turning biomass into coal, our technology can do in less than 90 minutes and in a sustainable, renewable manner. The result is a viable bio-coal replacement with the economic ability to renewably replace coal. For coal replacement leaders like OPG, North America's largest coal replacement project, it cost $170 million in storage and plant modifications to convert to wood pellets. For Drax Power, the UK's largest renewable energy generator, it cost £700 million. Arterran's more easily adopted drop-in solution eliminates the need to incur hundreds of millions in upfront conversion costs and, combined with ongoing logistical savings, establishes a path to simply switch coal-fired generation from the world's #1 climate problem to the world's #1 climate solution. We're now ready to bring our sustainable platform to the world. From BC, Canada, Arterran's advanced fuel will be commercially produced and delivered to global generators for in-house testing, leading to long-term supply contracts and production capacity scaling the world. At Arterran, we are producing a truly remarkable and revolutionary product that can replace harmful fossil fuels currently used for the production of heat and electricity. Not only does Arterran's biofuel create green jobs and a decentralized grid, Arterran Renewables is changing the game with its disruptive technology and moving us towards a sustainable tomorrow. We are doing our part in creating a cleaner and better world. Arterran Renewables, next-gen solid biofuels. Our future is green.